It is Monday morning, and I know how tiring, how frustrating it can be. I know that you are about to give up. I know that you are tired, you are demotivated. I know that you've been putting in the work, the hard work, you've been putting in the time, you've been putting in the money, but at the same time, you're not even achieving your aim. I know that you have countless questions asking yourself, are you sure this particular platform is for me? Are you sure this particular platform is not? I know that there are days that you just pick up your camera to film a video and you just get frustrated because when you think of all the hustle that you've been through on YouTube, at the end of the day, you feel like it is not worth it. You feel like you're not achieving what you're supposed to achieve. See, I can tell you for a whole fact that I understand the feeling where it's coming from because I've once been here. I started 3 years ago on YouTube, and this year will actually make me 4 years. It has really not been rosy. It has really not been a smooth journey. It has really not been that easy. There are days I cry, there are days I personally break down, there are days I ask myself, why am I even here? But in as much as I have all of those days, there are days of happiness. Just like the masterclass that I just finished on Saturday, we have over 100 students in our masterclass. So those are days, and I look back to the pains I've been through, the hurts I've been through, the money I have spent, and I just tell myself I am proud where I am today. You understand? So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because don't think that it is always going to be rosy. See, even the job you're doing, it is not easy. Even for you to take care of your kids, to take care of your household, it is not easy. There is nothing good that comes out easily. And trust me, one of those good things that will not come out easily for you is YouTube is the best paying platform. YouTube is not only the best paying platform, but the highest paying platform. And will you just fold your arms, sit down there to watch the best and the highest paying platform not to even pay you a single $100 every single month? It is going to be a slap on your face that you know about YouTube that you can make money and you are not making money. The very first time I pick up my camera to start filming a video was because I came across a video of Diana Ekweme. I will keep saying it, where she literally said YouTube made her a millionaire housewife, or how she became a millionaire housewife. And ever since then, I promised myself one thing: if she can do it, I can do it. Until today, I have been doing it to the glory of God, from cashing out on YouTube every 6 months, to cashing out on YouTube every 3 months, to cashing out on YouTube every 2 months, to cashing out on YouTube right now every single month. And not only that, to brands reaching out to me, having my own students as well that I can be able to coach. This is because I never look at what was currently happening to me. I never look at my downfall. I never look at the suffering. I never look at the money I was investing, but I was just pushing, getting the hope that one day I will definitely achieve what I want to achieve on YouTube. And I believe that you that is looking at me, you can definitely achieve it. There is no amount to spend on YouTube that is a waste. I will keep telling you that. There is nothing you do on YouTube that is a waste. There is no video you create on YouTube that is a waste. There is no community, no friends you found on YouTube that is a waste. That is why the Vibrasonia community do not only bring you masterclass, but what we also practically do is to add you up to a community that you guys can grow together. You guys can monetize together. You guys can come together and support yourself. As I am talking to you right now, our WhatsApp group is on fire because our community are growing. We are growing to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil. Which brings me to the masterclass I just had, which was on Saturday. I want to say thank you to every single student that participated. We have over 100 students, and it is not just over 100 students, but students that are willing to learn, students that are willing to take their YouTube channel to another level, students that are willing to master the art of content creating and then being able to enjoy the act of content creating. And because of the masterclass, I have countless mails on my email already. A lot of people have been asking me, when is the masterclass coming up? Yes, the masterclass, another one will definitely pop up, but let me just calm down, recover from this one, and be able to set the appropriate date for the next masterclass. If you are among the class, drop it in the comment section if you watch to this point of this video. Now, if you have not even come across YouTube at all, and this is the first time you're probably coming across my video, yes, you can make money on YouTube just by getting your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour. You can be able to skyrocket your YouTube journey to another level, and that is why we're here to build a YouTube community that is strong, fame, and that can also be able to what, make money. Now, what do we do Monday mornings? We activate the comment section where we personally show each and every one of us in the comment section that we love each other, we cherish each other, and then we value each other. What you need to do basically is anybody that you're seeing dropping a comment in the comment section, go ahead to click on that person's video, watch the person's video. Don't only watch, comment according to the video, subscribe to the person's channel, turn on notification bell so that whenever you post a video, you will be able to get notified. And for those of you that are watching this video that have not even subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting? Go into my channel to see what is happening. Now, check the flyers that is displaying on the screen, and also you can check the mail that is either in the screen or in the description box, or the mail that is attached in our bio. This is where you can email us to say, I need your one-on-one coaching. We are going to get started from there. We have 1 day, we have 30 days, we have 2 weeks. Anyone you choose. We also have 7 days. We can be able to help you navigate YouTube the simplest, sweetest, and easy way here on YouTube. So do not give up on your channel, because I want you to know that YouTube is for every single person, and because it is for every single person, it is also for me and you. If I can see a video 3 years ago and today I am making money from YouTube, you can also be that person that is making money on YouTube. And just so you can know, anything you cannot implement now on your YouTube journey, you can't implement it when you are monetized. When you're monetized, it is more taxing. When you're monetized, it is more demanding. When you're monetized, it is, you have the force, because if you don't even upload videos, you are not going to be achieving your aim. To those ones that will come here and upload 1 video, 2 video, and then disappear into thin air, this is a call to action for you, that you no longer need to be disappearing into thin air. But what you need right now is to focus. What can I do comfortably? How can I bring value on the YouTube street? What kind of videos can I be putting out? How do I start going live stream? How do I create my playlist? How do I put my end screens, my cards? How do I set up my YouTube channel? These are things you should put into consideration so that at the end of the day, your aim on YouTube is going to be achieved. I want you to be successful on YouTube in as much as I'm successful on YouTube. I don't just want to be the only one that is enjoying this YouTube money. Trust me, YouTube money is sweet. Like, it is sweet because you just sit down in your house and be doing what you know how to do best. And I know that you that is watching this video right now, you can do it. So all you need to do for me right now is to type in the comment section and say you can do it. You can call your name and say, Sonia, you can do it. Chizoba, you can do it. Joseph, you can do it. And trust me, we all are definitely going to do it. YouTube money is sweet though. Come and enjoy YouTube money and thank me later. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, I'll say it one more time. Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start creating content on YouTube and thank me later. Bye. I love you guys.